Well, good day, traders. This is the FX Big Dog, and welcome to this week's market update. If you have any questions regarding this review, please email me at analysis@infinitumfx.com. Or if you prefer to do a one-on-one private chat, you can go to our website and click onto one of the online support links. Important disclaimer, traders: trading the forex market is risky and only intended for investors that understand and can afford the risk. Note that this video presentation is for educational purposes only and not offering trade recommendations. If you choose to follow a trade presented in this video, you can do so at your own risk. We understand that all the traders have a full understanding of the risk and are responsible traders. Please, traders, do not trade live trading accounts unless you have traded a successful strategy on a demo account for a good period of time. Alright, traders, without further ado, let's get started with the currencies. We've got the Great British Pound, the 240 time frame open up here. We did notice in last week we were looking at this high to hold. If this high holds, we were still bearish. Notice that the high has been taken out and we now are in a crown setup, a bull crown setup. If I go ahead and put in the indication of what the bull crown setup looks like, it looks like something like this. There's the left tip. There was that high that was taken out, and of course this is now the right tip up here. There it is. There. That is the right tip coming down. Sorry, there it is coming down here. Now we did expect, and as I take out these parallel lines right here, we did expect that the market was going to move down towards the right tip, and the right tip was expected around about this area right here at 61.66. As you can see, it has extended itself a little further than that, but nevertheless we can go ahead and start looking for the intermediate crown swing, which is the A down here, B up here. Go ahead and put some new fib levels in, and this will be the new crown setup, the new bull crown setup that we have on the Great British Pound. You can see it's pulled back to 618 pounds right here. Now, those traders that are trading short term and trading those smaller swings, of course, you'll be still bearish right now, because right now we're still in the retracement of this up AB swing on the 240. Until, of course, we take out the highs, and the highs at 62.85, we're probably going to be still bearish on the short term. But overall, on the medium-term outlook, we are bullish. We're in bullish. We've pulled back to the 618 pounds and the right tip of the crown, a little bit deeper than the right tip, but we're looking like it's going north on the overall direction of the market. Of course, those short-term traders will still be bearish on the smaller swings. Let's go ahead and take a look at the. Let's go to the euro. Euro 240. We noticed last week we were looking at this. This setup right here where the market was consolidating. It broke through consolidation, took out the in fact hit the 8.6 of that bounce, then pulled back inside the range. We said, based on the fact that the markets pulled back inside the range, we were looking for a new retest of 44.55. Of course, that never happened, and the market then dipped down and started chasing after the objection point, which is the 118. We can clearly see that has occurred. We've hit the 118 and we started a new intermediate down AB swing. The new intermediate down AB swing looks something like this, coming off the highs right here and the low down there. So there it is, placed at 45.78 and 40.28. That is a new down AB boundary, and we can see that once again we're looking for a pullback to retest the 382 pounds and previous support become resistance. There it is there, previous support becoming resistance at 42.59. So we'll look for a pullback to as deep as 42.39 to 42.59. Okay, so that is what we're looking for right now on the 240 on the euro. So bearish overall on the down AB swing and bearish overall on the 240 time frame. We can go look at the JPY. JPY, we can go ahead and adjust this channel right here because we did form a new low. and the channel will be looking like something like that. So we are bearish. Remember, we said we are in a bearish retracement on the JPY. We're looking for a pullback to the 382 bounce, at least the 382 bounce. Well, we've got the 382 bounce. Now we've got to wait and see if you see the 618 bounce is maybe what the market's looking for. Well, what we're looking for right now in the JPY is this high at 91.90 to be taken out before we can say that the market has moved out of retracement and starting to head into extension. Right now it's still in retracement. The short-term swings are still showing bearish. For those traders that trade these smaller time frames, you probably still be bearish on the JPY. Right now the overall position is bullish, although we're still in retracement of that swing. So we'll be waiting for the confirmation that the swing momentum has changed to the upside before we start trading long. So we're still in retracement on the JPY. This is the Swiss franc 240. We can see this is the right tip that we expected the market to pull back to. Of course, it only made it down to the 618 bounce of the swing, and that's fine. The 618 bounce was fine, and the market's starting to head to the objection point. We can see that we're starting a new inner swing inside that intermediate up AB boundary, and we're chasing after the objection point, which is all the way up here at 1.0881. So we are all bullish on the Swiss franc 240. Of course, looking for a bit of a pullback before it takes off and starts heading up north again. And that is on the 240, so we're bullish overall on the 240. Of course, looking for those smaller pullbacks on the smaller time frame for those traders to look for those smaller swings going up north. So you're in a bit of retracement on the smaller time frame, but overall we are bullish on the 240 Swiss franc. Moving to the Canadian dollar, the 240 Canadian dollar, we can see as we compress the charts that it is just recently broken out of this channel that I place here. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out the way, and look what it's done. It's come back inside the previous large consolidation. So it's gone ahead and broken below it. We were chasing after the objection point, but remember we said we need to break below this low here at 205 first before we can actively say that the market's on its way to the objection point. Well, it's failed to break below 205 and it's come back inside the large consolidation area. So we're back inside consolidation, and let's go ahead and look at the active session of the market right now. We can see, well, it's definitely still in retracement. We need to start taking out these lows before we can actively say that the market is on its way down. Right now, pretty much in the short-term outlook, it is bullish. On the long-term outlook, it looks like the medium-term outlook, it looks like we're still in retracement. The market has not taken out the low, the B low at 205, so we're still in retracement. We're still trading inside the AB boundary of the 240 Canadian. Going to the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar has shown that it found resistance of the B high at 93.22. We say we were looking for retracement. We expected 382 bounce to be some type of support, which it was. Look, you can see there was a bit of a bounce off that support, and the next support area would be around about the 618. Well, it's come back down. We've got tweezer bottoms right there. This could be the sign that the market's on its way up. Now, to find confirmation on the lower time frame, we need these highs to be taken out at 91.44. Once that is taken out, we'll see a small crown set up on the lower time frames, and that will confirm what we've seen on the larger time frame. Right now, overall, on the medium-term outlook, we are bullish, still in retracement, waiting for confirmation on the 240 by taking out these highs at 91.44. Let's go to the New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar is looking like it's pretty much ranging here just past the 618 bounce. It is overall bullish on an up AB boundary. There it is there. We have an up AB boundary. We've got confirmation of tweezer bottoms right there, double bottoms. So everything's indicating that the market pretty much looks like it wants to go up north. But we still have not had confirmation. Remember, it's halted here, but we need to take out the high. The high is at 72.34. So 72.34, once that's taken out, we can say that the market then is on its way up. Right now, we're still in retracement, and once again, waiting for confirmation that the bulls are in control of this upward swing. Alright, that pretty much wraps it up for this market review for today. I trust that the information discussed in the session helps you become a better trader and helps you make better informed decisions in this market. This is the FX Big Dog wishing you joy, peace, and successful trading. Thank you, traders.